Hello everyone. It is another episode, and now what we want to do today is replace the weird how you call it, spring, right? Like this is, if you can see, it's not not in a good shape. It's not yet cracked, but I mean, since I'm here, like I was just working on this wheel bearing, so I think I should just bite the bullet and do it all at once. So so what we have right now is a weird spring from Sachs. I don't know if I pronounced correctly, so people said this is comfortable. I never tried that. So it's what is a brand of CF, the brand that built the gearbox, I guess. I'm not sure, to be honest, but anyway, so this is what I have right now. So what I plan to do would be like just get this out of my way, put it back. Sounds like super simple, right? Like, but we will find out. Yeah. So based on the research that I did, was that it's super simple. Like, you just need to undone this bolt here, this basically like E18 socket, that this like a Torx bolt, and you use an E18. I think it's a bit rusty here, like if you can see it, like not in a very good shape. So I need to hammer this thing a little bit so that I won't damage the head here. I won't run it. So, and then like I just need the 18 spanner to hold it here so that it won't turn itself, right? So and then this should be off, and then I can take the spring from the housing here. It sounds very simple. We will find out. I don't know, do we need this? Like this one, I also bought this too, just in case if I need to. So like I think this is very tiny actually, like, but it should sit in case I need this, I can use it here. Like, it's so actually I have different ideas, because I got a pair of this, right? So the other side, like I also got got the spring that need to be replaced, right? So why not I give it a try on both method. Like, one is doing with the lens removal, one is doing that the compressor, see how it goes, right? But yeah, so you can see some lighting here, so I'm just trying to make it a little bit bright, like more light, so we can see it more clearly. Yeah, I believe it's a bit difficult, like the thing is like the clearance, like, because I either have this head towards the top, or like right now, like I do a reverse, like the head towards the ground. But either way, like if I do it like from the bottom, like if I do it now like this, it's very hard to fill in the stock the wrench, the top wrench, to tighten this thing. And then like on the other hand, like is if I do it reverse, like it's too long, and gonna we need some clearance here, which is not super possible. So I guess I cannot do it here with this compressor. So yeah, I probably can only use it when I replace the shock mount in the front. Yeah, this is my conclusion. But yeah, I mean, if you have something that help you to change that angle, then maybe it will work. Anyway, so with that, I think the next approach, or like the only approach that now we can do, is like undone this bolt here, put in the socket, spanner here to hold that in place. So yeah, let's use a hammer to fit this thing in first. Okay, it's tight. So okay. So actually with the weight of the wheel itself, because I didn't disengage the wheel, right? So the whole thing, the whole assembly actually dropped itself. Like you can see, like the mount here, basically like it disconnected. I think the other side as well. So yeah, you can see like the mount is basically like disengaged. So I think the only thing that I need to do is like just take this thing out. Oh yes, like piece of cake, like this. Okay, so yeah, wow, I'm amazed. It seems to be a very simple job if you got access. Like, yeah, right here as well. Crap, I wonder if at some point I need to replace this subframe as well, which, okay, yeah, I better prepare myself, like just take a look on how this thing looks like. Like, so next time when I really need to do this thing, I'm not going to be surprised. Yeah. Okay, now we can see all this corrode, you know, suspensions. No, it's just the spring, right? Like so, and we here like got a pair of replacement. I'm trying to like make sure they looks the same, because I actually also ordered the one in the front so that I can do a top mount replacement job, but I mean probably not in this video. Right, so it seems to align. So I think what I need to do right now is just fit this thing, like this rubber thingy, you know, fill it. I think it's still okay. It's, yeah, I mean, yes, it's just a rubber. And then like, anyway, I didn't order the replacement for the rubber, and yeah, I mean, I'm just going to undo this, put it back on the nail replacement and see how it goes. Yeah. So basically, like, just do a turn, and yeah, do I need to clean this? I think I don't have to. After all, like, you know, it is gonna be dirty when I put it back. So how? So I think it's just like, yeah, like it's turning this thing in like this. Super simple. Right, so the other side, like, look at this guy, like so corrode, like, yeah, this one a bit tricky, but like, yeah, I mean, yeah, like this. So basically, like, just, you know, drag the whole thing out, like okay, so the original color is like this. All right, yeah, I think this is like how it's supposed to be like. Yeah, the problem is how I can fit that back, but let's get another one done as well. Done. So now we got a pair of this, yeah, to put it back. I don't know how easy or how difficult it can be. Let's try. I actually have a question now, like, I'm wondering maybe I should put the plastic in first, and then like, you know, put the spring on afterwards. But anyway, I managed to get this thing, like, I think it's holding its place. And like, if you look at the top here, like, I think this is like, you know, where this plastic thing should hold. After we jack this whole subframe, you know, back to its place. And then like this guy here may, oh actually this one will turn like this. I think it's like this. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, so not the way round, right? Yeah, like this. So anyway, yeah, I'll do the same on the other side as well. Let's give it a try to see if I actually can put the rubber in first and then put the spring on afterwards. But yeah, all this, oh god, rubbish. How does this look like? Yeah, like this. And does it make a difference? Or make it a little bit easier to fit? I feel like it is a little bit easier if I do it this way, and you can see like it's actually turning. So yeah, but well, actually I maybe as a result, talking about like the result, it doesn't really make a whole lot of difference. Oh, did you actually see? Okay, yes. So now I should try to jack the things up and see how does that things align. I mean, again, the key here is to make sure like the you cannot see it, but anyway, yeah, I mean the top mount here, like this plastic should go into the mount over there, and we'll see. I still need to align this part here, like, okay, so yeah, I think the key is like I need to loosen this thing again and then do some alignment. Okay, now should be okay. So like I think the key here is like maybe like, you know, just get this subframe to its position a little bit so that it's not like a wide gap, like not a big gap, and then like put the top mount in and then like jack the things up, and then we'll see how it goes. So it should naturally sit on it in place, I believe. Is it? Yeah, I don't know. Like I think it should be fine. Something about like when the car like put back on the floor, and then the wheel and the body weight should like, you know, compress this thing, and then they should hold together, I believe, and then this thing should not go out, I guess. I mean, is it like in the right alignment? I believe so. Do I have any way to validate this? Like if I turn it a little bit, yeah, now I'm a bit regret I didn't take the photo before removing this. So, but yeah, the best thing is maybe put back the screw in and then see how it goes. So actually, before I align this hole, I think I need to sort this out as well, because like this does not want to align at the moment. So I think the best thing I can do is like lower the other side a bit, and then do a adjustment, you know, in both sides, like gradually, like, you know, make sure they sit on its position. Yeah, let's see. So now we got this in place. The research that I made showed that the top spec for this is 117 to 143 Newton meters. So I'm going to try to tighten that thing. So now we have both spring in place. The last thing that I'm going to do is chop the car back on the floor. Well, actually, like I need to put back the wheels on, right? So, but then like chop the car on the floor, and then we will see how this sit. This is how it looks like when the car is dropped on the floor. So yeah, the same on this side. So I think it's doing its job. I can also see like the top mount here is in position. So the other side as well. Yeah, a bit dark here. So let's see. Yes, in its position, doing great. So yeah, this is like how I did this. I'll call it done for now, and I hope you found this video is useful, and it is very something that you can do at home, to be honest. Like if you have the tools, like basically like jack, you know, a wrench, all that, and yeah, relatively quick job, to be honest. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This will definitely help me to grow this channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.